Okay, so in this problem here, we have a contingency table, and here's what we're going to do. We're going to answer these questions. So, what percent of these graduates joined the military? So in A, we're going to do 56 divided by 1415, and we get about 4%. And in B, we get what percent graduated in 1970, so we're going to do 601 divided by 1415, and let's see, we get 42.5%. In C, let's see, what percent of the 1970 graduates? We're looking at 1970 graduates, so there's 601 of them, and 18 of them joined the military. So it's 18 out of 601. If you do that, you get about 3%. And in D, well, these students who joined the military, what percent graduated in 1970? So there's 56 that joined the military. 18 of them were from 1970, so that comes out to like 32.1%. And now let's see what E says. What is the marginal distribution of postgraduate activities? Okay, so the postgraduate activities are here, so the marginal distribution is here. So we're going to change each of these into a percent. So we got to divide each of these by the total. And if you do that, this is 64%, and employed is going to be about 24%, and military is going to be about 4%. And this guy here, other, is 8.2%, but I'm going to put it as 8%. I don't have room. Okay, I know that's a little bit jumbled up. But, okay, so then we go to F, and it says, what is the conditional distribution of postgraduate activities among the class of 1959? So we're only looking at 1959. We're going to change each of these to a percentage. So we're going to change, let's see. To do continuing, we're going to do 197 divided by 333. So let's see, we got about 59%. And then 103 divided by 333 is about 31%. And 20 divided by 333 is about 6%. And 13 divided by 333 is about 4%. So that is your answer to F. And then G, what we got to do is we had to basically compare the distributions for the different years and draw a graphical representation. So I already did those. Those are the distributions by year, and I think the best graphical representation is a segmented bar chart. So what we're going to wind up doing is, actually I have a drawing of that right here, and you guys can use that. So here's a segmented bar chart of that. Okay, so that's the segmented bar chart. So you know, what's the answer to that? Let's see what the official answer is. It says there is evidence, obviously, because the distributions are not the same. Continuing education has increased over the 3 years, and it looks like people going into the military seems to have decreased, and also people who go straight into employment. So as time has increased, more people have continued going to school and less people have gone into the job market.